SciCuriousID presents a journey into the intricate world of origami, an art form that transcends mere paper folding. Imagine this, a simple square of paper with no glue, no scissors, no tape. Yet with just a few precise folds, it transforms into a soaring crane, a blooming lotus, even a beating heart, revealing the hidden potential within a flat sheet. But in Japan, origami isn't just art. It's a profound practice encompassing meditation, complex mathematics, and a mirror reflecting the human spirit's capacity for transformation. So how did the act of folding paper become a way to unfold life itself, revealing deeper meanings and connections?
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Seluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
The origins of origami trace back over 1,000 years, when paper first fluttered into Japan from China around the 6th century. Initially, folding was sacred, used exclusively in religious ceremonies called noshi, symbolizing purity, respect, and good fortune in Shinto rituals. Over centuries, it evolved beyond ritual into recreation and education. By the Edo period, from 1603 to 1868, the folds of paper became a playground for imagination, with samurai families teaching their children to create intricate animals, plants, and geometric forms, fostering discipline and creativity. But origami took on profound meaning after World War II, particularly through the story of a young girl named Sadako Sasaki. After being exposed to radiation from the atomic bomb in Hiroshima, she folded 1,000 paper cranes, believing it would grant her wish for peace and recovery from her illness. Her poignant story transformed the paper crane into a global emblem of hope, peace, and resilience, a powerful symbol demonstrating that even one delicate fold, multiplied by many, can inspire and change the world. Beyond its aesthetic beauty, origami hides a fascinating world of science and engineering. Every fold obeys precise geometric principles. Each crease changes angles, curvature, and tension in predictable ways. Mathematicians and scientists now study this as origami theory, a field that is actively rewriting the laws of design and material science. In engineering, these origami principles are shaping everything from the deployment of space telescopes to the design of medical stents. NASA, for instance, uses foldable solar arrays inspired by paper models, which are compact enough to launch into space, yet unfold perfectly and reliably in orbit to capture sunlight. In medicine, scientists are designing revolutionary microrobots that can fold themselves into complex shapes inside the human body. These tiny, self-assembling devices are being developed to deliver drugs precisely where needed, perform minimally invasive surgeries, and even diagnose diseases at a cellular level. Even the universe itself seems to follow folding principles. From the way proteins twist and fold into complex, life-giving shapes essential for biological functions, to the majestic way tectonic plates buckle and fold to form towering mountain ranges, nature itself is the grandest origamist, demonstrating intricate folding patterns on cosmic scales. So, the next time you delicately crease a paper crane, remember that you are echoing the same fundamental geometry and principles that fold galaxies, shape proteins, and form the very mountains around us. Origami is also a profound form of mindfulness and a pathway to inner peace. In Japanese philosophy, every deliberate fold represents kokoro, encompassing the heart, spirit, and the cultivation of patience and focus. You simply cannot rush an origami crane. The process itself teaches you presence, balance, and a deep respect for imperfection, much like the Zen concept of wabi-sabi, which finds beauty in transience and imperfection. And here's a fascinating twist. The world's largest origami crane, created in Odate, Japan, measured over 80 meters wide, a truly monumental feat. Meanwhile, the smallest. It was folded under a microscope, barely visible to the naked eye, showcasing the incredible range of this art form. And get this, some dedicated origamists even compete in folding blindfolded. It's an extraordinary display of tactile skill and spatial memory, akin to paper parkour for the mind, pushing the boundaries of human dexterity and concentration. Fun fact, there's even origami sushi. Not literally folded paper fish, but master chefs in Tokyo meticulously fold seaweed and rice with the precision and artistry of origami masters. It seems Japan folds everything beautifully, from culinary delights to profound philosophy. Across Japan, origami isn't confined to museums or ancient texts. It lives vibrantly in streets, schools, and the hearts of its people. From the Hiroshima Peace Park, draped in a million cranes symbolizing hope, to the minimalist studios of modern Tokyo where designers use folding principles to shape innovative architecture and avant-garde fashion, origami is everywhere. Each paper fold is a quiet rebellion against chaos, a powerful reminder that simplicity, when guided by intention and precision, can create infinite complexity and profound beauty. It's no wonder origami continues to inspire mathematicians, engineers, artists, and dreamers alike, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, the next time you hold a blank piece of paper, remember, it holds a universe of possibilities, waiting to be unlocked. Every crease is a deliberate decision, every fold a moment of creation, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Curious for more insights into the wonders of our world? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID, where we explore the science behind the extraordinary.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.